Guys, very warm welcome to the crypto trade of the week, and that is actually Wanchain, and Wanchain is ranked number 155 with a market cap of about $36.7 million, and it's trading around 21.7 cents. And Wanchain is quite interesting in my opinion because it's also active in the infrastructure connecting the decentralized financial world. And Wanchain's live cross-blockchain solution is EVM based, includes optional private transactions, and provides a decentralized, permissionless, and secure approach for interoperability. And having integrated Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Wanchain aims to pave the way for plug-and-play connectivity between public, private, and consortium blockchains. And Wanchain has employees globally with teams in Beijing, Austin, USA, Kuala Lumpur, and Madrid, Spain. And if you would like to take a look for more information, go to wanchain.org. There you can see first for blockchain developers and also for blockchain businesses. And they have kind of solutions where you can take a look at the depths, for instance. And yeah, I'm not that technical guy, but you can take a look. Use Wanchain dApps directly in your Chrome or Brave browser with a WAN mask web wallet. Anyway, it's very fun to take a look at. And if I take a look at the charts quickly, there we see, of course, a huge crash since the peak of, yeah, what was it in August? September, August, and it was at 60 cents. And now two-thirds lower. That means that it crashed towards lower lows of about July, and the low of July has been reached at 16 cents. But I think it's very nice buying opportunity at this point. And if I take a look at the daily chart, of course, it's a red candle, so it's also a sell. But even in the 240 minutes charts, there is no clear sight yet. For our portfolios of cryptos, we also do the Wanchain. We buy it at $50 every week, more or less, and it's nice to, of course, it's not nice if it's falling, but it's nice that we can buy some more at this level, around 20 cents. So if you're looking for a nice buying opportunity, you can take a look at Wanchain with a price. It's also traded on Binance, 21.8 cents, let's say 22 cents. With a stop loss, you can put at 16 cents. And to the upside at 28 cents, you 101, and even 34 cents. That is even higher, of course, but the level reached around September. That is a 2-by-1 ratio. So it's, of course, it's a challenging market at this moment. Now we see the Bitcoin rising like crazy. I don't know if it's really a relief rally because of the elections of United States. Anyway, I see that the altcoins are under pressure at this moment. That means if you have some balls and iron balls, you can consider to take and to pick up some coins, some altcoins. For me, one of the altcoins is Wanchain. And if you would like to take a look for more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye.